So Doogee has finally announced the Doogee DK10. This is Doogee's first 5G rugged phone of 2024, and it's not going to be the last. There'll be more 5G rugged phones from Doogee in 2024, I believe so. And the DK10 is probably the first of the DK series. I believe there'll be a DK20, a DK30, and so on like that. Anyway, the DK10 will be officially launching on the 18th of March. So the device is currently not available yet, okay? Anyway, the DK10 is a nice 5G rugged phone with interesting specifications and features. So let's just explore its key details because not all of its details are available yet. So the DK10 would be powered by the Dimensity 8020 processor. It's a nice 5G processor with a clock speed of up to 2.6 GHz, and it's built on a 6nm process. It's better than the Dimensity 7050 that powers the Doogee V30 Pro. So the Doogee DK10 would perform better than the Doogee V30 Pro. The DK10 also utilizes 16GB RAM, which is very nice, and it's available in two internal storage options. So there's the 256GB and 512GB storage options. Two of them, two large storage, guys. The device features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is very nice. And thankfully, the DK10 has a punch hole display, not a water drop notch display. If you notice, many Doogee devices usually have water drop notch display, which is kind of like not as modern as punch hole displays. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K, and it is also military grade standard 810H certified. In the camera department, the DK10 features a quad rear camera set up with a 50MP main camera. The other sensors are not disclosed, but it's likely that the DK10 would feature a night vision camera. The DK10 has a 5150 mAh battery, that's 5150 mAh battery, and it supports 120 watts fast charging. So I mentioned this in my previous videos that the DK10 would be equipped with a smaller battery when compared to many other rugged phones, and I was right. The DK10 has a 5150 mAh battery, which is not small, but we know rugged phones usually have large battery capacities than this. So the 5000 mAh battery of the Doogee DK10 is definitely small when compared to many other rugged devices. And finally, the DK10 would run the Android 13 operating system, which is not bad, but hopefully it gets the Android 14 in the future. So these are the key details of the upcoming DK10. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be launching on the 18th of March. But before then, there'll be more specs and details about the DK10. And of course, I'll update you guys once I get more details about that Doogee DK10. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, thanks for watching. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.